A woman experiences many discomforts during the pregnancy. Some of these discomforts are temporary, while some are experienced throughout the 9 months of pregnancy. These discomforts vary from woman to woman and pregnancy to pregnancy. In this video, we will discuss the 21 discomforts that the majority of pregnant women experience. Number 1. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea is common during the first trimester and usually reduces or goes away after 3 months. Some women experience nausea or vomiting throughout 9 months of their pregnancy. Number 2. Fatigue. Fatigue during pregnancy is normal in the first trimester as the body is adjusting for the pregnancy during that time. Anemia also causes fatigue during pregnancy. Carrying baby weight and heavy pressure on pelvis and abdomen causes fatigue during the third trimester. Number 3. Heartburn or acidity. Because of heavy pressure on the stomach and intestines, food digests slowly, that causes heartburn or acidity. Fried, spicy and heavy meals also cause heartburn during pregnancy. Number 4. Pica or cravings for non-food items. Do not hide your cravings during pregnancy, but cravings for non-food items such as stone, plaster, clay, or dirt is a nutritional deficiency. Take a healthy diet to avoid nutritional deficiency. Number 5. Stretch marks. All women experience stretch marks during pregnancy. Weight gain and growth of the uterus causes stretch marks during pregnancy. It is normal and the stretch marks fade away after the delivery. Number 6. Constipation. Hormonal changes during pregnancy and pressure on intestines cause bowel problems that may cause constipation. Consuming fiber-rich diet may lower the chances of constipation during pregnancy. Number 7. Back pain. Pressure on uterus and baby weight causes backache. Use a comfortable position to sleep and have a gentle massage of your back to increase blood circulation and ease the pain. Don't take painkillers without consulting your doctor. Number 8. Headache. Hormonal changes, stress, and nausea may cause headache during pregnancy. Number 9. Frequent urination. The pressure of baby weight against your bladder causes frequent urination. Number 10. Sleeping difficulty. Sleeping difficulties during pregnancy is common, especially in the third trimester of pregnancy. Baby kicks, baby weight, and frequent urination during the night may make you restless. Number 11. Shortness of breath. The pressure of the fetus and changes in the lung function causes shortness of breath during pregnancy. You need to take as much rest as possible. Don't engage in strenuous activities if you feel shortness of breath. Number 12. Swelling in feet and legs. Fluid retention causes swelling in specific body parts during pregnancy. Number 13. Vaginal discharge. Hormonal changes cause increased vaginal discharge during pregnancy. Number 14. Abdominal pain. Egg implantation during the first trimester and acidity or constipation during 9 months of pregnancy may cause abdominal pain, and it is normal in pregnancy. Sharp and long-lasting abdominal pain accompanied by vaginal bleeding or heavy water discharge is a serious concern. Consult your doctor if you are having this case. Number 15. Skin changes. Skin pigmentation, patches on some body parts, or darkening of the skin during pregnancy are caused by hormonal changes and is not a serious concern. Number 16. Yeast infections. Thick vaginal discharge and itchiness in the vagina is known as yeast infection during pregnancy. Yeast infections are not normal in pregnancy and require urgent medical treatment. Number 17. Breast changes. Breast glands start making breast milk for the baby. Hormonal changes may cause darkening of the nipples area. increase in breast size, and breast tenderness is a normal part of pregnancy. Besides these, a pregnant woman may also experience varicose veins, hemorrhoids or piles, bleeding gums, and stuffy nose. So these were the top 21 discomforts that a woman may experience during pregnancy. If these discomforts last for a long time and do not go away on its own, ask your doctor for medications. Some discomforts such as cramps, yeast infection, and excessive vomiting require immediate medical attention. To lower these discomforts, take rest as much as possible. Do yoga, gentle exercise, take a short walk, and do breathing exercise regularly to ease your discomforts during pregnancy. Don't take stress and enjoy your pregnancy. Happy pregnancy.